Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a wonderful chalet bungalow style property. Now this is a detached 4-bedroom property located in Fleetwood Avenue in Herne Bay, and it's number 38 at that. So number 38 Fleetwood Avenue in Herne Bay. Now as soon as you come through the main front door here, you can see you've got a wonderful finish to this property. Of course, you've got 4 bedrooms here, and we start here in the first of the 4 bedrooms. You've got that lovely big bay window there at the front, and it is a very good sized room. You've got plenty of space there for the double bed, and of course you've got all of that fitted storage there as well. Now we've got another bedroom space here as well, so really nice tall ceilings that you're going to notice throughout the ground level of this property, and again really impressive sized doorways and windows with this property. And the entrance hall itself, really impressive size, but also in fantastic decorative order as well. Now we'll come through here into the main lounge area, and you can see you've got that lovely window just overlooking the rear garden there, and this is a fantastic private space. You can really close all the curtains and relax in this room. You can completely forget about everything else outside. You can really relax in this space. You've got that lovely little feature electric fireplace there as well. Now for me, this is really one of my personal favourites, I think, when it comes to properties, just because of the sheer amount of living space and the arrangement of it that you have here on the ground level. The kitchen here is really impressive, and you've really got to see it in person to just get the size of it, because you've got a wonderful arrangement of fitted units, and you've also got a little larder cupboard there which houses a few utilities as well. Now as we've come straight through to the back of the property, we're in this fantastic conservatory space as well, and you do have the radiator out here, so the space is usable all year round, and the garden is extremely manageable. Very easy space to maintain. So if you're looking to keep the substantial size of a property but downsize a little bit on the garden, this is absolutely perfect for you, because it's still a very nice size, but it's not too much to look after whatsoever. So of course in a few moments we're going to go upstairs, but before we do that, we're just going to show you through into the downstairs shower room. So of course you can see it's very easy to accommodate ground floor living on this property. Of course you've got the 2 bedrooms on the ground floor of the property and that shower room as well. So just coming upstairs here up this wonderful wooden staircase, we're going to come across 2 really good sized rooms, and you've also got a family bathroom up here as well. So first thing you'll notice up on this ground level, just how light and bright this space is, because the bedrooms are a fantastic size. You've got a really good height to the pitch in this room. So of course for those of you that are slightly taller, there's going to be no problem coming up into the rooms up here. Plenty of space is here for you. So you've got plenty of room here for the double beds, and for the chest of drawers, and for the wardrobes as well, and you've got that eave storage there in abundance as well. So coming through and taking a look at the family bathroom here, you can see you've got that really nice clean and modern and contemporary look to it. That lovely big window there at the side, just letting all of that natural light through. It's a really wonderful space. Now here we are into the second of the upstairs bedrooms, and again it's just a fantastic continuation of the rest of the room sizes that we've got. So with this space here, you've got that little alcoved area there, and you've got plenty of space in the form of a sort of a walk-in wardrobe there as well. So really nice arrangement of storage space with this property. So I think it's only right that we go back downstairs and we take a look at the garage that is integral to the property, because it's such a good size. From the front, of course, you can see it really clearly with that little bit of off-road parking that you've got there, but when you get into the garage, you see that it's a really fantastic size. It's actually slightly wider inside than the front entrance would make it out to be. So we'll come through and take a look at it here. So you can see you've got plenty of space in here for a car, if you so wish to keep your car in the garage. Maybe treat it once or twice, put it in the garage, and I think we'll come through now into the rear garden, which in all of its beauty is a wonderful space. You've got the sun beaming down into this rear garden space for pretty much most of the day. And again, I said earlier on in the video walkthrough tour that it's a very, very easy space to maintain, and that is certainly true of this property. And it's a very, very private and enclosed space as well, so you really can escape from the town living with this property. It's one of the best things about it. You're in a fantastic location, located only a few moments away from the train station at the end of the road. Of course, it's a walk to the seafront here as well, and through to the high street too. So for me, I think that this property offers a fantastic opportunity for you to settle in the town without being right in the middle of it. So we'll be coming to the end of this video tour in a few moments, but again, let's recap on a few bits on this property. So you've got 4 bedrooms, it's detached, it's immaculately presented, you've got a wealth of ground floor living accommodation with this property, and I'd certainly ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agency so that you can find out a little bit more about this property, and again, perhaps even book a viewing.